Hello everybody, this is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video, and today we have a mid to late 80s Sears Box Fan. My buddy picked this up on the State Road 40 sale that we did yesterday, where the sales apparently go from, I guess, Iowa all the way to Pennsylvania, I believe, on State Road 40. I think he paid a couple bucks for it. It's a neat fan. I love it. Alright, we'll start off on low. Apparently he pulled this out of a barn. It was buried in a bunch of stuff. Surprisingly, all the grill slaps are still intact. Go to high. It's a pretty good air mover. Oh, I forgot. It's got the damn handle on it. Oh my. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.